Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential altcoins to buy in this bull market run that we're seeing right now. So in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 6.74%. And the reason I keep saying bull market potential run is because we're not sure what's going on right now, but it looks like we might be coming back to that bull run. Now, I did ask the community, guys. I did ask all of you guys what you guys thought was happening. So I said, crypto bull run is back, question mark. And 2,700 people voted. You guys said yes. 59% of you guys said yes, and 41% of you guys said no. So, majority of you guys are saying that the bull run is back, and that's what we're going to be looking forward to. So, right now, top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be ANKR. It is up 26.26%. Highest volume, Bitcoin like usual, guys. So, Bitcoin's been booming, up about 7.8%. Trading right around that 40,000 area, and we said that 40 to 42,000 area resistance is going to be a huge one. So if we can break through that 42,000 area, guys, we might be seeing that run continue to go further. And if that happens, we're definitely back into the bull run, in my opinion, as long as it continues to roar in the upcoming time. Now, obviously, there's a lot of stuff going on in the stock market right now, like tech earnings are happening, and a lot of these earnings, we're seeing sell-offs after amazing earnings, even with Apple, Microsoft, and many others as well. Tesla, we had great earnings, and the stocks, are selling off. So there might be a rotation coming soon, guys. That's something we're going to keep an eye out on as well. There might be a rotation from stocks to crypto, just like we had in the previous months, obviously. So keep a very, very close eye on that and see how we're going to be transitioning to different parts of the market, just in general. So Ethereum up 4%. Trading around that 2,300 area. Binance Coin up 2.5%. Cardano, Ripple about 2.5, 7 or to 3%. Dogecoin 2%, still trading around that 20 cents area, so it's not running as much as it should be. But the rest of these coins are all up about 2, 3, 4%. Then we have some outliers, obviously 9%, 7%. And then Luna right here, Terra. We talked about this coin yesterday. It's up 14% since we talked about that coin. So definitely booming, guys. Definitely opportunities out there for short-term and long-term opportunities whenever you want to, dive on in and get them in. So now, guys, before we get into this countdown, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes, guys. We destroyed the like button in yesterday's video. We got over 150 likes. So in this one, we're aiming for at least 100 likes, guys. Let's aim for 40,000 subscribers, where we just hit around 37,000 in the previous weeks. As always, guys, leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now? What are you guys looking forward to? Are we in a bull market or not? And if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that. So the first altcoin is going to be XRP, also known as Ripple. A lot of you guys know this one as Ripple. So this one is up about 2.7% in the past 24 hours, trading around 64 cents. In the past week, this coin is up 21% almost. In the past month, it's actually almost about flat. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, up 106 or 178%. So this coin is still doing very well on the 1-year chart. 178% return is a massive return in my opinion. Obviously, it was trading around 23 cents last year here in July. Hit highs up here in April. About April 13th, we hit almost $2 on Ripple. Then we pulled back down, came back up a little bit, and then another continuation down with another downtrend, obviously. So right now we're trying to make a little bit of a comeback. Market cap is right around that 30 billion area, with the volume being around 2.7 billion in the past 24 hours. Now, obviously, Ripple is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple Payment Network, built for enterprise use. XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So Ripple is, old school coin. You guys all know it from here in December in 2017. It actually hit highs of about 384, and we haven't been, close to those areas in a very, very long time. Even when we hit the, previous highs here for 2021, we were still about, about halfway there pretty much. So Ripple has a long way to go. There's a lot of things that are going on along with it, but there's always opportunities for at least some type of scalp or, potential run up opportunities. So XRP is going to be our first coin that we're going to be looking at. Now, the second coin is going to be Uniswap, UNI, very popular coin. This one is trading around $18.74. It is up 3.4% right now. In the past week, 28.78%. Massive gains since we previously talked about it. In the past month, 9.6%. And then on the 1-year chart, over 500%, guys. It was trading at around $3 last September when this coin started trading. Hit highs here of about $45, pulled back down all the way to about $16 or so, came back up, and then we pulled back down to these 18, low teens or high teen type situation right here, and we're trading at a market cap of 11 billion, volume in the past 24 hours, 406.6 million right now. There's some volume starting to pick up in the crypto space. So Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by the smart contracts. So obviously, if you guys go on the Uniswap website right here, you guys can see the different things they have right there. All-time volume, 300 billion plus. Liquidity providers, all-time traders, DeFi integration, and different things right here. A growing protocol ecosystem. The Uniswap protocol empowers developers, liquidity providers, and traders to participate in a financial marketplace that is open and accessible to all. So right here, a suite of tools for a tokenized world. You guys can see different things right here as well. So this, very, very powerful coin, a popular one, especially one that interests me, obviously. So a lot of people like to do staking and different things as well. So that is another thing that you guys can look into with these cryptos, especially if you're a long-term investor or a long-term, you believe in crypto for the long term. You could do some staking. A lot of people do staking with crypto because it's kind of like getting an interest payment, or it's almost similar to a dividend type situation where you lock in your money for a certain amount of time and then you get a certain amount, back on a return. So definitely something to check out with crypto and staking as well. And if you guys want me to make a video separate just on staking and how it works in the crypto market, leave a comment below as well, and I'll do a separate video and showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do that as well. So that is our second altcoin. And then the third one, internet computer, ICP, very popular one. And the reason we're talking about this one, even though it's came down very hard in the past 2 months, is because this one tends to run very, very quickly when it does. So you never know when this one is going to explode on the upside, and that's what we're going to be hoping for a play right here. So it is up about 6.89% in the past 24 hours, trading at around $41.86. In the past week, it is up 46.71%, guys. Massive gains in the past month, 2%. And we talked about this one actually, I believe, about 3 or 4 days ago, maybe a little bit earlier, but it was trading around this $33 area. Now it's at around $42. So 46%, profit in a matter of a week. That is insane. In the past year, obviously, it's up 410%. But from those highs of 750 in May, we've came down a long, way back. So market cap at 5.8 billion right now on ICP, and like I said, when it runs, it can soar. So we're going to be watching this one very, very closely. Even if it does even if it makes 100% gain and goes to about $80 or so, that is still a massive gain if that was to happen in the upcoming weeks. So we're definitely going to be watching internet computer right here for a potential momentum play with this bull market run potential. So internet computer ICP is a utility token that allows users to participate in and govern the internet computer blockchain network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly on the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications. So you guys see right there, staking. So staking, very big thing, obviously, in the crypto world, and a very, very popular thing amongst crypto traders. A lot of people don't understand how it works, and that's why I said if you guys want a full video, I will cover crypto staking and how that works as well. So leave a comment for that as well, and let's see what internet computer does in the upcoming weeks, guys. So now we have the fourth one. It's going to be EOS. This one is up 3.27%, trading at $3.75. In the past week, it's up 15%. Past month, flat. And then on the 1 year chart, it is up 25%. So we continue to talk about EOS, saying how it's pretty much lagging behind the rest of the crypto market. It is lagging behind a lot. I mean, this coin is, only up 25%. Most of the stock market is pretty much outpacing EOS right now if you really look at it, even though the crypto market is way more volatile. So this one was trading at around almost $15 at one point, and then we continue to pull back down and continue to trade lower. 3.6 billion market cap right now, volume in the past 24 hours at 924.6 million. So EOS is obviously a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees. So you get rewarded with more EOS tokens. And that is how that works. So that is very interesting how this coin works. Obviously, one of those greener coins that had a pop here on May. It went from about $6 all the way to about $15, so over 100% profit right there, and then came back down very quickly, just as fast as it went up. So that is obviously the risk that you have to take in the crypto world. High risk, high reward type situation. Obviously, I always talk about this. I say I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is all for entertainment purposes. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure that you understand the risk versus reward type situation in the crypto market. So now that we've covered those 4 altcoins, let's take a look at the bigger, coins that are going around right now and what are they doing. So Bitcoin is going to be the first one, like we said, up 7.8%. So last night we saw a little bit of a pullback, or actually 2 nights ago, and it came back to about 37,000. Then we seen this uptrend pretty much throughout the rest of Tuesday, hitting a high of about 40,352 here on Tuesday night. And it's up, like we said, in market cap 749.4 billion. You guys see this, downtrend. So we saw the up here on Saturday and Sunday, and then continued into Monday. Then we saw this, sell off a little bit into about 36,000 area, and then an uptrend. So beautiful pattern right there. I love this pattern, and I'm hoping for it to extend and continue to break through and get to that 42,000 resistance, break through that resistance, and we're going to the moon, guys. We're going outer space, just like Jeff Bezos went with his rocket. We're going to outer space. We're going to the moon, guys. That's what we're hoping for, and we want to see Bitcoin back into the 50,000 area, or potentially even higher in the upcoming months. So Bitcoin is performing very, very well right now, up 33% the past week. 14% in the past month, so doing very well. Obviously, from lows of 29,000, it's up $10,000 just in a matter of about a week or so. Nice to see this happening again. Nice to see that momentum play. Obviously, in the past year, this one is up 263%. It was trading at around 10,000 last year. We saw this pullback, guys, and we've been consolidating, and then boom, this breakout is beautiful. So we hope this continues to go, and we come back to those 50s and retest the previous all-time highs that we saw in about April time period. So that's what we're gonna be hoping for as well right now. So that is Bitcoin. Ethereum obviously following suit, so 4.36% in the past 24 hours, trading around that 2300 area right there, booming on higher. 267.4 billion market cap. In the past week, it's up 28%, past month 15%, and then on the 1 year chart, 620%. I mean, we're far away from that 4400 area, but obviously from the highs before that, boom happened in April/May. We're pretty much at those prices again, the 22 to 2300 area. We're back to that area. So as long as we, continue to move forward, hopefully we'll be back into the 3000s in no time, especially if Bitcoin continues to go on higher. Obviously, all the other coins tend to follow the same pattern. So as the large cap coins go higher, the mid cap and the low cap follow suit as well. And they usually outperform Bitcoin, by a lot, because they're lower market caps, so they can move on faster. So Doge is up 2.4%, guys, trading around that 20 cents area, but still it's lagging behind in my opinion compared to the rest of the market. It's only up about 19% the past week, down 22% actually in the past month. And then on the 1 year chart, obviously 6,200% or so from those highs from the SNL show. It's continued to go lower and lower, and we're pretty much at a low down here around this 15 to 20 cents area. So Doge, yeah, it's following the market right now. As the market continues to boom, Doge is probably going to move, moon as well. But if we see a broader sell-off like we were seeing for those past 2 months, Doge is going to continue to go lower, and that's something we have to be very cautious of, because that's how the market performs. So as you guys can see, as I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is almost breaking through that 40,000 area, guys. So we're going to be looking to see what happens Wednesday morning. Is Bitcoin going to continue to move on higher or not? You guys leave comments below, letting me know, what do you guys think? Is Bitcoin going to continue to go throughout this week as we continue to have more tech stocks performing, or representing their earnings and different things, obviously in the crypto market or in the stock market as well? And then we have the whole China situation as well. So you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you guys want to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 actually, you guys can check out the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.